In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can disable Snapchat calls from within Snapchat and also by using the settings on your phone. So I have loaded up Snapchat right now, and if you want to disable the calls for a specific friend of yours on Snapchat, what you need to do is you want to tap on this little chat icon there at the bottom. That will open up all your different chats, and you want to select the chat that you want to remove the notifications from or the calls. If you don't have the friend in your friends list right here, just tap on the search button there and then search for the particular friend. So I'm going to, and what you want to do once you found the friend, so I'm going to select this one right here. All you need to do is long press on the friend with your finger. A menu will pop up, and then you just want to tap here where it says more. And then you'll see an option here that says message notifications. Tap on that. And then you want to select the option that says silent. So I'll select silent, and then it is now selected on silent. And when you don't have the Snapchat app open, you won't get call notifications. And then just tap on done, and then that's done. So now if you want to do this from the settings app and do it for all of your friends, then go out of the Snapchat app and then open up the settings app. Once you're on the settings app, you want to tap here where it says notifications. And then if you don't see Snapchat appear like it appears right there, then you just want to tap on more, and then you want to search for Snapchat. For me, it's right at the top, and Snapchat notifications are enabled. You can see the toggle switch is all the way to the right and it's blue. To disable the notifications, just toggle it down to make it gray, and then you won't get any notification calls on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.